Welcome back guys, today we'll be creating an outdoor Christmas movie night for the family to enjoy, and to help to make this possible I'll be checking out the Ultimea Poseidon E40 portable projector as well as the Ultimea Photon, a light rejecting screen. So a big thank you to Ultimea for sponsoring today's video, and without any further ado, let's get into it. In the box you'll find a user manual, a provided HDMI cable, an extended 1-year warranty card, the power cable, a remote control, as well as a power adapter. On the front is their logo as well as the lens, which can produce up to 1000 ANSI lumens of light, making watching movies in lighter environments a lot better. And on the sides are dual 10-watt speakers with Dolby audio support, an independent bass radiator on the back to accompany the dual speakers, plus all the relevant inputs you'll need, including one HDMI, a USB input for playing locally stored content, the power input and power indicator light, the infrared input, plus an audio out for headphones or external speakers. On top is a single power button, and underneath are 4 rubber feet to help keep it in place. Located in the middle is a screw for mounting to a stand or tripod if needed. A great and handy feature is that the Poseidon's E40's carrying handle also doubles up as the projection stand, making it easier to get your desired angle for the projection needed. With the input lag being at 15 milliseconds, this is also a great option for experiencing any casual gaming in an immersive size. Next up was to unpack their new Ultimea Photon projection screen with enhanced ambient light rejection technology, meaning it can reject up to 80% of unwanted light, which in turn gives you a much brighter image and contrast. This makes a big difference when watching content in the daytime. You have the option of 100 or 120 inches in a 16:9 aspect ratio, and both will give you 120 degrees of viewing angle. Hooking up the screen was easy too. Simply mark out where the hooks need to be on a flat surface and attach the hooks using the provided sticky pads, but as I was doing an outdoor more permanent setup, I decided to screw them into place for an extra secure solution. Now the screen was in place, the next step was to start adding some extra decorations and start making my back garden more of a Christmas theme. I started by running some twinkly lights above and hanging some larger Christmas decorations from them. I then put up and decorated an old Christmas tree that I had in the loft before moving on and putting up extra decorations for my desired look. Then it was just a case of waiting for the sun to go down, turning on all the lights, switching on the fire, and then seeing how it all turned out. A nice touch with the Poseidon E40 projector is that it is Netflix certified and has Android TV built in for thousands of apps. It also has Google Assistant. All you need to do is use the button on the remote control to use your voice and search for what you want, or you can use the 4 dedicated buttons for streaming apps. Plus, on top of that, the Poseidon E40 also supports 4K and HDR video. Not only does this have autofocus, it also has something that they call auto algorithm, an intelligent obstacle avoidance auto screen alignment, meaning it would do its best to avoid any obstacles that may impact the projected image. And if needed, you can go into the settings and use the manual focus, or you can even zoom the picture in and out, as well as using the corner correction to align the image exactly how you need it to be. And with setup done, you can now sit back and enjoy as much content as your heart desires. So overall, the projector provides a bright and detailed image, especially combined with their ALR projector screen. The motion was smooth and the colours really popped, and even though it has built-in Bluetooth for connecting to an external speaker, the built-in speakers delivered an immersive audio experience with clear dialogue and with a very decent bass. This impressive portable projector is currently selling for only £358, and you can also pick up the 100-inch ALR screen for only £55 or the 120-inch for £70. So if you would like to check these out for yourselves, the link will be in the description. A massive thank you again for Ultimea for sending these out, and if you enjoyed this video, please do me a favour and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one.